So, what I can say is only to express a big congratulations to Sunlight for this major milestone in its very colorful aviation journey. I think personally, by the way, I had the privilege of being present also as guest during prior to COVID. They launched, I think, their second ATR at the Manila Airport, and I had the privilege of witnessing that event, and now I am here again to partake of this momentous occasion. I believe, maybe I'm not that I'm biased, but I think that Sunlight Air is a special airline. Not that I'm here, but I have seen how it works. It has some kind of not only a firm vision to grow its market. Number one, it's not only an airline that is supposed to support air connectivity in the Philippines. It also operates resorts and hotels, and therefore it's not only about air connectivity as far as they're concerned. It's also directly growing the tourism industry. So it's a special kind of airline in that line. And I know that they're not shy about really not risking, but devoting very significant resources in building up the airline. It takes a while. It's very rare that you see small airlines in the Philippines that would be buying. I think this is the 4th aircraft that they would be buying. And it's not usual that airlines buy aircraft. They usually lease them. And I heard that they're also going to, maybe this time it's going to be leased because it's more practical to lease jet aircraft. I heard that they're procuring Airbus jet aircraft. So that's another milestone maybe later on. And what I noticed with them is that it's not only a vision towards growing, marketing the business, but a genuine commitment to support the government in its program of developing tourism, promoting domestic, especially domestic tourism. And all of us know that air connectivity is the principal or primary driver of economic development. So for that, I have my special feelings for Sunlight Air. Many times, the government is not able to provide all the needs in terms of slots, in terms of airport space to Sunlight. And I hope that you will understand that the government is doing its utmost in providing for you better infrastructure. NAIA is being refurbished, and the goal is to increase the movements of aircraft from 40 to maybe 50. That's about maybe 20%. And of course, we're building probably the biggest airport in the world, 35 kilometers away from where we are now. So it's just a matter of time. There are bumps, glitches along the way, but the vision is very firm and the energy is there. So I fully support the air sector, fully supports Sunlight. Whenever you need us, just call us. So congratulations to Sunlight in this milestone. Good evening. Enjoy the food later on. Thank you very much.